Good morning, madam. I am Bhaskar Tejatta from Computer Science of Engineering, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. My subject name is Differential Equations and Vector Calculus. My topic is Surface Integral Problem. Evaluate integral f bar cap dot n bar cap ds, where f bar is equal to zi bar plus xj bar minus 3y square zk bar, and S is the surface x square plus y square is equal to 16 included in the first octant between z is equal to 0 and z is equal to 5. Solution: let f bar is equal to zi bar plus xj bar minus 3y square zk bar. Let pi is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 16. Normal to the surface which is equal to v bar pi is equal to I bar dou pi by dou x plus j bar dou pi by dou y plus k bar dou pi by dou z is equal to 2xi plus 2yz, 2, 2xi I bar plus 2y j bar. Unit normal is equal to n bar cap is equal to v bar pi by in brackets v bar pi is equal to 2 2 of x I bar plus y j bar by 2 root of x square plus y square. 2 cancel. X I bar plus y j bar by root 16 step is equal to x I bar plus y j bar. root root 16 is cancelled, equal to 4. Let R be the projection of x on the yz plane. Therefore, double integral s f bar dot n bar cap ds is equal to double integral r f bar into n bar cap dou by dou z by in the brackets n bar cap dot I bar. F bar cap into n bar cap is equal to into xi bar plus xj bar minus 3y square zk bar into xi bar plus yj bar plus 4. Next, go to next step. Is equal to 1 by 4 xz plus xy, x by 4 into z plus y, and n bar cap in dot I bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar by 4 into I bar is equal to x by 4. Limits: on yz plane x is equal to 0, therefore x square plus y square is equal to 16. Y square is equal to 16. Y is equal to plus or minus 4. In the first octant, y into 0 to 4, z ratio 0 to 5. Therefore, double integral s f bar dot n bar cap ds is equal to double integral r x by 4 into z plus y into dou by dou z divided by x by 4. X by 4 cancel, is equal to integral y is equal to 0 4 integral z is equal to 0 5 z into z plus y dou by dou z. Integral y is equal to 0 4 into z square plus 2yz 2 plus yz whole brackets 5 z is equal to 0 dy is equal to integral y is equal to 0 4 into 25 plus 25 by 2 plus 5y to dy. Go to the next topic. is equal to 25 by 2 y plus 5y square by 2 into 4 by y is equal to 0. 25 by 2 into 4, 2 to 4 cancel, plus y by 2 16. By mistake madam, 2 is 16, 3 not mistake. 25 to the 40 plus 5 is 40. 25 to the 50 plus 5 is 40 is equal to 90. Thank you madam.